Welcome to your first video with Play Piano Now. This is Unit 1. For the purposes of this book, the pages before page 14 should have been discussed during your lesson and should have been read by you. We're going to start on page 14 discussing the notes or the rhythms. The first note is a quarter note. On page 14 we see a quarter note has one count or one beat. It is a short tone. We clap it like this. 1. We have a rhythm exercise away from the keyboard there on page 14. We are looking at the measure. A measure is an organizational unit where we place all our notes. Measures have bar lines which divide them into equal portions, and at the end of the music we have a double bar line, and that means the end of the piece and we can stop playing. In a measure we have 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter notes or 4 beats. The number of beats is determined by a time signature. We will learn a little bit more about that later. So for this rhythm exercise away from the keyboard, we are going to clap once for each note, counting aloud. Okay? So within each measure, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Next, we have the technique exercise, warm-ups on 2 black key groups. And the 2 black key groups are right here, above middle C for the right hand, and below middle C for the left hand. We will first start off by counting and clapping the rhythm. First for the left hand fingers, and then we'll go into the right hand fingers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. Now for the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. Okay. The next step after clapping and counting the rhythm will be to clap the same rhythm, but this time we will say the finger number. The finger number you see is written to the left or to the right of the stem of our note. Here we go, starting with left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. And then the right hand. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Release. Okay. Next, we are going to now play and sing the finger number. Let's go ahead and place our fingers 2 and 3 on the 2 black keys. Play them harmonically together. And now one at a time, starting from the left, working your way right. Excellent. Okay, let's go ahead and sing the finger number as we play, starting with left hand. Our dynamic is forte. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. And now the right hand. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Very good. After you have played and sung the finger number, now practice playing them by themselves without speaking. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. On page number 15, we are introduced to the quarter rest. The quarter rest, like the quarter note, has 1 beat. We do not play or clap. We have a space of silence. The quarter rest is clapped like this. We can either say 1 or rest. So the rhythm exercise away from the keyboard on page 15, we're going to count. And instead of clapping for the rest, we'll just say the number of the beats, or we can say rest. It's up to you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. Very good. So, for the plain 2 black key groups going up and down, this one here with right hand 2 and 3, we will begin at the middle of the keyboard and play all the 2 black key groups going up the keyboard, indicated rhythm, using the indicated rhythm and finger numbers 1 key at a time. So, let's go ahead. The first thing we would do is clap and count the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That same rhythm will be applied to all of throughout this entire exercise. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 2, rest. Then we're going to come up another octave. 2, 3, 2, rest. And then we'll continue going up octaves until we finish all the 2 black key groups. We'll continue that with the left hand. Number 2 begins at the middle of the keyboard. We'll say the finger numbers and play at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 2, rest. Now when we rest, we want to have the space of the rest be the time we take this hand and place it to the next one. So it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 2, rest. 2, 3, 2, rest. 2, 3, 2, etc. And that's how we're going to go over all the 2 black key patterns. On page number 16, we now have our half note. The half note is a longer note, 2 beats. And let's go ahead and start off by clapping the half note. 1, 1, 2. Okay, and so the rhythm exercise away from the keyboard, we're working with clapping the rhythm, including a half note. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Okay, and so let's go ahead now and work at our technique exercise, warm-ups on 3 black key groups. These are the 3 black key groups, fingers 2, 3, and 4. On this one here, below middle C, and then above middle C. Let's go ahead and clap and count the rhythm first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for the right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we're going to go ahead and clap and say the finger number. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2. And then for the right hand, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2. Excellent. Next, we're going to go ahead and play and sing the finger number. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2. Then we're the right hand. 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2. Then, of course, you'll practice playing that by itself without saying the finger numbers. Release. Okay. Next, we are introduced on page number 17 to the half rest. It's a longer rest. It has 2 counts. We clap it like this. 1, 2. Our exercise away from the keyboard. We're going to apply that half rest. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Playing 3 black key groups going up and down. The same thing we did for the previous page on 15. We're now doing this with 3 black keys, but we're applying the half rest. So as you can see, the rhythm is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that same rhythm will repeat as we go up on the keyboard. Let's go ahead and start off with the right hand. Excuse me. We will go ahead and clap and say the finger numbers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. Rest, rest. Next, go ahead and sing and play the finger numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. Rest, rest. And we'll move up another octave. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, rest, rest. And we'll just continue playing all the 3 black keys as we go that way. Next, we're going to start with our left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. Sounds a little different because we're saying the same finger numbers, but they always go in opposite directions. For the rest, remember, the distance from here to here must occur within 2 beats of rest. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. Rest, rest. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. Rest, rest, etc. Okay, so let's go ahead and practice all of that, and we're going to prepare now to play on pages 18 and 19.